Good morning, guys. This morning I'm going to be sharing a quick 15-minute tidy up. My kitchen is already done after the breakfast, coffee, making lunch fiasco in the morning. I do plan to do a separate video soon on cleaning just my kitchen, but this morning I wanted to share again my 15-minute tidy up. I do one of these almost every morning, and it really does vary depending on what needs to be done. Normally Grady makes his own bed, but we were actually running a little behind schedule this morning, so I figured why not just make the bed, give him a little treat when he gets home from school. He's always super excited to jump on his bed and play after school, so I thought I would just make it for him really quick. Those are his original baby blankets from when he was a baby. He still loves them and sleeps with them. I actually think it's kind of cute, but I don't know if that's normal and your kids have their baby blankets, but Grady is 6 and still loves his. The living room just needed a little bit of tidying up. I wanted to open the window shades and get a little light in there since it's kind of been a dark, gloomy day, and otherwise not too bad. I did notice the entertainment stand was a little dusty, so I thought I would just dust it really quick and make it nice and fresh and clean since a lot of light comes into that room. And every morning I change the trash can. It's pretty much always full every single morning, so nothing too crazy here. Every morning after I get home from bringing Grady to school, I start a load of wash. I actually this morning already put all of our dirty clothes into the washer, so it was literally ready to pour the detergent in, turn on, and let it go. So worked out really well. I'm loving this washer and dryer set. It's a Samsung set. If you can see under the top lid, there is a rinse sink built right in with like a scrubbing area. I love it. I do plan to do a review on this washer and dryer set. I just want to have it a little longer. We've had it a couple months now, and I use it every day, and I really do love it. So while the wash is going, I thought I would take the time to clean our entryway. This is the main point of entry in our home, and it gets really, really dirty from my husband's work boots and Grady playing outside. A lot of dirt came off that rug, a lot of dirt. We've had that Dyson vacuum for over 4 years now, and I absolutely love it. The day that it dies will be a sad day, but I do plan when it dies to get a new one because it's been such a great vacuum. It's just such a workhorse. I also love having a mudroom. I don't think I've ever had one in any place I've ever lived, but I love it because all the dirt from your shoes stays in the entryway. That huge rug that I'm vacuuming right there is actually from Lowe's. I do not know what it's made out of, but it's not like carpet material. It's very, very durable. Since I live in upstate New York now, we get a lot of snow in the winter and slush and salt from your shoes. So we wanted something really durable. So lastly, I thought I would just clean my laundry room floor because it was looking kind of gross. these dark floors are really, really hard to keep looking clean because they are so dark, but nothing you can do about it. We moved in and the floors were already done. They are really pretty, but they're definitely hard to keep looking clean. So I just go over them with my hardwood floor setting on the Dyson, and then I will pull out my Bona hardwood floor mop, which I've had for a few years now, and I absolutely love it. These mops are great. I just buy the largest refill of the liquid cleaner and refill it as needed, and then I have 2 of the fabric pads to interchange. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's the first 15-minute tidy up video I've ever done, and I'm thinking about doing more of them if you guys like them. But I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.